Finish training for the day? Time to fight post-workout fatigue with Core Power Protein Shakes. They're packed with 26 grams of high-quality protein to build muscle and electrolytes to help hydrate. The nutrition you need to help your body replenish, rebuild, and repair post-workout so you can power on to the next one. Champion your recovery with Core Power. Visit corepower.com to learn more.
The family that vacations together stays together. At least, that was the plan. Except now, the Dastardly desk clerk is saying he can't confirm your connecting rooms.
Wait, what?
That's right, ma'am. You have rooms 201 and 709.
No, we cannot be 5 floors away from our kids.
The doors have double locks. They'll be fine.
When you want connecting rooms confirmed before you arrive, it matters where you stay.
Welcome to Hilton. I see your connecting rooms are already confirmed.
Hilton, for the stay.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Business Success Stories with Connie Lane. Today, we are diving into a business idea that may not sound glamorous at first, but trust me, it has huge potential for profit, stability, and growth. We're talking about carpet and floor cleaning business, an industry that is always in demand, whether in homes, offices, hotels, or commercial spaces. If you've ever thought about starting your own service-based business but weren't sure where to begin, this episode will give you the step-by-step blueprint to succeed. So, grab a notebook, relax, and let's jump right in. Segment 1. Why carpet and floor cleaning? You see, no matter how the economy shifts, carpets and floors always get dirty. Families want their homes clean and fresh. Businesses want their offices looking professional. Hotels, restaurants, and schools need spotless flooring every single day. This means one thing: reliable demand. Unlike some businesses that depend on trends, cleaning is a necessity. And when you position yourself as a trustworthy professional service provider, customers will keep coming back. Segment 2. Master the skills. Now, let's talk about the foundation, your skills. Success in this industry doesn't just come from having equipment. It comes from knowing how to use it effectively. Learn techniques like deep carpet cleaning, stain removal, hardwood polishing, and eco-friendly methods. Consider getting certified or taking short professional courses. Why? Because when you can say, "I am trained and certified," it builds instant trust with your customers. Remember, knowledge and professionalism are your strongest tools. Segment 3. Invest in the right equipment. Now, let's be honest. Cheap equipment leads to cheap results. If you want to stand out, invest in high-quality machines. Steam cleaners, polishers, eco-friendly solutions, and powerful vacuums. Think of your equipment as your business partner. The better your partner, the better your results. And happy customers will always pay for quality. Segment 4. Finding your niche. Here's a big secret to success. Don't try to serve everyone. Instead, focus on a niche. For example, residential carpet and rug cleaning, commercial cleaning for offices and malls, hotels and restaurants that need daily or weekly services, specialty services like marble polishing or pet stain removal. By specializing, you become known as the expert in that area, and experts can charge more. Segment 5. Customer service is everything. Let me tell you this. People don't just pay for cleaning. They pay for peace of mind. So always arrive on time. Be polite, professional, and communicate clearly. Offer free consultations or estimates. And most importantly, follow up with clients after the job. That one simple phone call or message, "Hey, just checking if you're happy with the cleaning we did," can turn a one-time customer into a long-term client.
Segment 6. Smart pricing. Many new entrepreneurs make a mistake. They either charge too high and scare away customers or too low and make no profit. Do some research. Check your competitors. Then set prices that are competitive but fair. Also, think about bundled packages. Carpet plus sofa cleaning or floor plus rug deep clean. People love packages because they feel they're getting more value. Segment 7. Marketing your business. All right, now let's talk about getting clients. Marketing is not optional. It's the lifeline of your business. Build a simple website with before and after photos. Share cleaning transformations on social media like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Register your business on Google Maps so people nearby can find you. Print flyers, hand out business cards, and network with property managers, real estate agents, and hotels. Remember, people need to see your results to believe in your service. Segment 8. Consistency builds reputation. Success doesn't come from one good job. It comes from doing every single job with the same high quality. Consistency builds reputation, and reputation builds referrals. So whether it's a big hotel or a small apartment, treat every client with equal importance. Segment 9. Managing finances. Now let's talk money. Track your expenses, equipment, cleaning products, transportation. Keep business and personal accounts separate. Reinvest part of your profit into marketing, better tools, and training. This way your business keeps growing steadily instead of staying stuck. Segment 10. Growing your team. As your business grows, you can't do everything alone. That's when you start building a team. Hire people who are reliable, honest, and hardworking. Train them not just in cleaning, but also in customer service. A well-trained team means you can take on more jobs, cover more locations, and increase profits. Finally, here's the golden rule. Don't chase customers. Build relationships. Offer maintenance contracts to offices and hotels. Run seasonal promotions like holiday deep cleaning or spring cleaning discounts. Create loyalty programs for regular clients. These strategies make sure customers don't just hire you once, they keep coming back for years. So there you have it, your complete roadmap to building a successful carpet and floor cleaning business. Remember, master the skills, invest in good equipment, focus on a niche, deliver excellent service, market yourself smartly, and most importantly, treat every customer as if they're your only customer. Success doesn't happen overnight, but if you stay consistent and professional, your carpet and floor cleaning business can grow into a profitable, long-term venture. Thank you for listening to Business Success Stories with Connie Lane. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe and share it with someone who might be thinking of starting their own business. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining in your business journey.